Hello everybody, this is the weekly note for the Functions Distance Learning A group. Our test will be this week on Wednesday. Whoa, hang on. Wednesday, there we go, October 28th. You have 4 homework assignments that you can either take pictures of and email me directly or upload them to the folders in which they were assigned. On the 12th, 19th, 21st, and 22nd of October, the 1.4 Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, and Chapter 1B review worksheets were assigned. Again, you can either take pictures and send them to me all at once, or if you've already submitted some of them in these folders, make sure to submit the rest of them in the folders. As always, have work shown to earn full credit. If you turn in an assignment that has answers only, that will result in a score of 0 out of 4. So get those points, work hard for them, and you'll get full credit pretty easily. All the answer keys are posted on Schoology for you to check your work. Always correct your assignments and let me know if you ever have any questions. Your homework is due on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, by 11:59 p.m. for full credit. The guidelines for our test are very similar to what they were for our first assessment. We have a couple of slight changes, however. To keep the integrity of our test and make sure everyone has a level playing field, these are the required guidelines to take your assessment on Wednesday. Make sure you are logged in and ready to start no later than the beginning of your class. 4th hour, you should be ready to start at 10:18 exactly. 6th hour at 12:58, and 7th hour at 1:46. Make sure your materials are ready to go at that time. So once you're logged in, you'd be ready to start your test immediately. If by chance you know you're going to be absent, make sure you email me as soon as possible to schedule a different time. With all these assessments, it's very challenging to reschedule, so we want to make sure we get this done as soon as possible. Your absence must be excused in order to retake for 100%. If it's not, you can only take up to the 80% benchmark. When you log in, make sure your camera is on just like last time, and make sure I can see your entire workspace. This means I need to see you and the surface you're working on, including the notebook paper you're writing on and your notes review worksheet. So I need to see your space at all times during the Google Meet. Last week you were assigned that notes review worksheet. This is your cheat sheet for the test. The front side talks about all the steps and formulas we've covered in this chapter. On the back, you can put examples or any other steps that you'd like. You may not use your actual note packet on the test. You will submit a picture of both sides of this review worksheet when you submit your test. So make sure you have that available with your test when you submit it at the end. You of course can use a calculator if needed, but you are absolutely not allowed to use your cell phone or any other aid while taking your test. Once you've finished, like before, let me know in the chat for the Google Meet that you're done. Make sure you stay on the Meet and I will tell you to grab your cell phone to submit your test and review worksheet. Once I tell you in the chat that I've received your email, because sometimes it takes a couple of minutes, you're then free and clear to be dismissed from the Google Meet for the day. Okay, so here's where things get a little tricky. If at any time it appears you are not following these guidelines, I will drop you from the Google Meet and we will have to reschedule your test, and you'll only be allowed to take up to the 80% benchmark. If you have any questions about these guidelines, make sure you get clarification before we start. Also, if you have any questions on homework, at any time, you guys, always send me an email. I'm happy to try to clear things up through email, or we could set up a Google Meet maybe Monday after school or even Tuesday after school. That would work as well. Feel free to let me know. So again, today, make sure you're continuing on correcting homework. Tomorrow, make sure everything is submitted by 11:59 for full credit, and then we'll take our test on Wednesday in class. Have a great couple of days, everybody, and if you have any questions, please let me know.